Sup guys, welcome to Arduino Basics by Invent Code. This is the season 1 and episode 1 of Arduino Basics. About Arduino.
Arduino is an open source hardware and software company that makes single board microcontrollers and microcontroller kits.
Arduino board designs use a variety of microprocessors and controllers.
The Arduino Uno board, a rather popular Arduino board, is a microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328 processor. It has 14 digital I/O pins, 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz crystal oscillator, a USB connection, a power jack, memory, and a reset button. This contains everything that is needed to start a wonderful project.
The board features serial communication interfaces including Universal Serial Bus (USB) on some models, which are also used for loading programs from personal computers. In addition to using traditional compiler toolchains, the Arduino project provides an integrated development environment (IDE), which is extremely useful for beginners.
Arduino was created in year 2005 by two Italian engineering students who were David Quartales and Massimo Banzi, with the goal of encouraging students to program the microcontroller and improve their skills about electronics and use it in the real world.
The name Arduino comes from a bar in Ivrea, Italy, where some of the founders of the project used to meet. The bar was named after Arden of Ivrea, who was the Margrave of March of Ivrea and King of Italy from 1002 to 1014. So we'll teach you how to turn on an LED using Arduino. So first thing for this project, we are going to need an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, an LED, a resistor, and some jumper wires. First, let us power up the breadboard. We'll take a 5-volt power supply from the Arduino and give it to the breadboard to the positive terminal. Then, connect the negative terminal or the ground to the negative terminal of the breadboard. This powers up the whole breadboard, like this part. Then let us place an LED anywhere on this breadboard. Take an take a resistor, place it just below the anode of the LED, and connect the jumper wire to digital pin number 7. Then take the negative connection and give it to the negative.
So now I'll be explaining the code. So the first thing that you see, that's the void setup, only runs once in the program. The void setup is used to initialize everything that's there. So you can initialize pins and other sort of sensors, etc. So here, since we are having an LED, we are making the pin, that's the pin over here, as 7. The pin number 7 that my friend showed to output. Output just means that it'll output a value. So next, the void loop. This is where the actual code runs. So there are a few things here. The digital write command is used to tell that a digital value is being assigned. So it can either be high or low. So the first thing is the pin. So as we initialize pin 7 over here, we'll be using pin 7 over here as well. So next is the value. So since we want the LED to glow, we'll keep it to high. Otherwise, we'll keep it to low. So guys, now we'll be showing the live demo of whatever we explained. So here we have the code on the right side and the circuit on the left side. This is all being done on the website on Tinkercad. Link is in the description. So now we'll be starting the simulation to show you. So now according to the code, the LED glows. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.